welcome to I Am Cat. Come on, come on. Oh gosh. Grandma, your big bad grandma. Give me your arm like you cut you. Yeah. Let's go. What the frick was that? Now we run. Now we run.
You've got to for me.
Yeah. Grandma. Prepare to die. What's happening? No. This game is so hard. Oh. Are you drunk? Oh, I smacked your teeth out. What if I just release the mice? I saw this on YouTube. You grab it and then you like put it like right there. Now I go over here. Lilies. Okay. No, go, come on. Yeah. Books. Get out of here, books. Stop. Turn on the dance channel. Go. Let's go. Gotta leave. Go. She's not mad. I thought she would be mad. Let's go. Yeah. No, guys. Okay. Where's the moons? I know that's a game. Oh, it's right here. I get to go outside now. Because you can't really run that fast in this game. This is why you never have a cat. It's what they be doing to your house. Even though I really want a freaking cat. So, yes. Okay, finally made it up here. Jeez, everything is... Oh. Ooh, you cannot really control yourself in this game. Okay, y'all. How y'all like the drip? Oh, wait, I wanna go in here. I wanna go to the wardrobe. How y'all like the drip? Okay. It's really cool and close. I want. Oh. Glasses. Okay, we're gonna be trying to go get some more stuff for fishes for the claws. Let's go. I want them golden claws. They look cool. Let's go. Granny's house? We're at Granny's house. I thought we were already at Granny's house. Apparently not. Yeah, we're down here. How do I unlock? How do I unlock outside? Like, can I go outside somehow? Or do I just go out the front door? I don't know. We're gonna try that. No. Grandma. Pounce! Now we run. Now we run for our life. We run for our life. That's what we do. We run for our life. We run for our life. Run for our life. Run for our life. Run for my life. Yeah. Sorry, Grandma. Nothing going on. Grandma! Grandma, it was not me. I had my paws up. It was not me. Try to just go. Go.
Run this year.
I'm gonna make Grandma wait. Can you glass, or you're just like a toy? Grandma! I want to smack you with this. Please. It's not my test, but I don't care.
Yeah.
Okay, now I just gotta run for my life. Go up the stairs. Oh, come! Ow. Like, be quiet. Honey, I'm just going of the house. Oh, that's a bunch. Oh, I'm fine right here. Climb to the top shelf of the refrigerator. Let's go. Yeah. I'm Kung Fu Panda. Oh, okay. Oh. Grandma door. find me. Just... Chicken. Calm down. Did it.
Open the shield.
No, if you hit me, go go. You wanna fight?
You can't fall for me.
Yeah. Okay. Climb to the top shelf of the refrigerator. That's what I just did, bro. Like, top shelf of the refrigerator. Oh, it's up there, isn't it? Can I even open that? No, probably not. I'm sure. Yeah, this is the top shelf of the refrigerator. Maybe on top of the refrigerator? Possibly. So good at this. Close the fridge. Be a good cat. We gotta be a good cat. Close the fridge. We just have to. Grandma's gonna kill me one day. I can feel it. Okay, well, claws and balloons. 8 of them? There's like 10, right? Right here. Grandma, don't get mad at me if I knock something over. I did it on purpose. Where's a fish? So we named this fish, guys? Maybe the comments we should name this fish. We put him in the fish tank. Grandma shot! No. Yeah, tell me in the comment, guys. What should we name this fish? Yeah. Sorry, buddy. We gotta get you up there somehow. I can climb there with 2 hands, but I can't climb with 1 hand. I want bluefish. No. We gotta get several. We gotta get the balloons. No, I wanna switch this. I wonder if I get anything for doing that. For squishing it. For making it. Grandma! Grandma, don't mind me. Swish! I'm a spider cat. Yeah. Spider cat. Come on, buddy.
Alistair. There's Wayne.
Just grab the teeth. Can you get me? Grab this. Can't. Go, go, go.
Bonjour. Здравствуйте. Я приходжу по мне. Bonjour. You've got.
She fell for that. I think she can get me from here.
Bonjour.
You can't get me.
You came for me.
Yes, I can. I can. Oh. Maybe I can't go for her.
There's Wayne.
I'm gonna name the robot Giggles. It's a piggy bank. She's in our face?
Bonjour. You've got to for me.
That's the things that they use as a staple. Yeah. I'm so goaty, guys. Man, I'm the best at this game. I'm not joking. Also, shout out to Fudgy. He's the reason I got this game. Okay. Hunter, catch all the mice in 30 seconds? That's actually impossible. Go, come on. I can get one more. Dang it. Okay, we're gonna do the thing again. What the? I don't eat bread. It's out my mouth. What's up? Bros, just the challengers. Make a shot? I already tried that. It's hard. I think I might know how to do it. Just got a one hand. Up there. Hey guys, I'm not the ball. No, my grandma. Help me. Of course. I gotta just. Oh, it's possible. It's really possible. It's actually possible. Bro, give me the 3. Bro, hit the layup. Straight up, dog. Like, it's possible. It's so possible. I so know it because I'm just so smart. Like, can I, like, shoot it and make it? I know you can slam dunk on it. Okay. Touch the arch. 6 panes. Without breaking them? Oh, I bet. That's gonna be real hard. Where's that code? I think that's the code to the computer. Can't remember. I'm pretty sure from Fudgies. It's true, right? Yes. Grandma? 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 Grandma?
Yes, it's an asking. You've got to for me.
Grandma, I swear I did not mean to do that. I meant to keep it there, guys. Now Grandma's gonna murder me because I'm a bad kitty. Okay. Does these come up here? Did y'all know, guys, Grandma got the award for the worst grandma in the world? Okay, that does count. Oh, I thought that was a rat up there. I was like, gosh. Ah! Thank God. What's up? The cat's a musician. Play a melody on the piano. Where's the piano? Oh wait, the piano's up here, right? Yeah. Alright, y'all. How about get ready for the best song ever? F listen. Oops. Got it. Anything for Fluffy Cat? Hey! 2 out of 6. Alright, there's probably some downstairs. Fish. No fish. Sparky. Come here. Sparky, I'm sorry. But you gotta go. I see you when I ever figure out how to get in there. Bye-bye. Sorry, Sparky. Jeez, Grandma probably already squished all the pillows into microscopic. Big bag, so. Oh, pillows. Grandma, sorry. Also, I meant not sorry. Wait, what? What are you? Oh, I broke 6. Grandma. Here, we can talk about something. We can talk about things. Grandma, we can talk. We can talk.
How's that, Roscoe? You getting far from me?
You are a very good person. A very good cat. But I had to.
Oh, bless you. You get far from me.
Dabba-dooba-dabba-dee. Be quiet. Oh, Grandma. It's part of the missions. Kind of. You're home.
How's that, Roscoe? You get far from me.
2 more. I can too run away from you. How do you think I'd be taking doodles everywhere? Poop myself when I run away from you. Scare me half to death. Okay. This one, and then just book it to the kitchen. Go to the kitchen, Get in here. Get back up. I said back up. Back up. I got a pan too, and I ain't afraid to use it. Got a pan too. Let's go.
Zatroshka,
You wanna go?
you're getting far from me.
You wanna go, bro? Oh, you wanna go? Bull.
Zatroshka, you're getting far from me.
Yeah.
Zatroshka, you're getting far from me.
What was that woman saying? Bad food. Scatter the food from the bowl. Woo! Wee! The bowl? Oh, bowl. Got a cup full of green peppers. Get your attention. But what bowl?
Open the seal. You're getting far from me.
You can be quiet.
Zatroshka,
another one.
you're getting far from me.
Dang, her big back self.
Zatroshka, you're getting far from me.
Yummy for my
You're getting
tummy.
far.
She ain't seen that coming. She ain't see this coming. Oopsie.
Open the seal. You're getting far from me.
Sorry, big back. Oh, I gotta bring another plate. Whoopsie! Woo! Come. Scatter the food. Oh. She didn't know who it was. Dang, her big back brain for itself. But the food just. Bull. Just the eggplants in a bowl. Open. No, but I'm still gonna spill them because I'm a bad kid. From the bowl. Where the bowl? food from the bowl? What freaking food? From the bowl. Here, let's put some food in me bowl. The bowl. I don't understand what the bowl is. People do I eat it in my big bag? No. Don't pick me up. I'm a fierce predator. Yeah, Grandma. I'm a fierce predator. Now we run. Run like we've never run before.
Затрошка. Затрошка. You've got to for me.
Hi.
Затрошка. Затрошка.
Well, first time getting banged.
Oh, what?
Hey guys, we're gonna check out the wardrobe. So, let me see if I can buy the clothes now. Alright, let's go. We're gonna break the 3 bottles. Then this will be the end of this video. If you want to see some more of this Iron Cat, make sure to subscribe to see some friends. Wait, there's one in the fridge, right? I think there is. I'm trying to make the house somewhat clean. Yes, so there's 2 in here. So we do this, and then we just run for our life. Because we know what happens. I broke the bed bottles. Scatter the food from the bowl. Leave claw marks.
There's a trash can. You've got to for me.
Do the food one. No, after. Where's the trash can? Grandma! I made a snack for you. I'm joking.
There's Wayne.
Just take this out. Doesn't matter not be watching what I'm doing. Without breaking the pots. It's gonna be hard, guys. Actually, it wasn't that hard. Yeah! There's our character. There we go. Gotcha. Okay, I'm just gonna do these last tasks in the videos over. Pour to the mug. Oh, so I just grab a mug over here. Like maybe even shit a mug. Still a mug. I consider it still a mug. Oh, Granny does. Oh, Granny can't even drink it. Oh, I thought she done freaking fell. I was about to laugh.
Yeah. And me.
Come here. Don't be mad. We're going somewhere. Pet the robot. Okay. Granny. Can you pick me up? Thank you. I want to please. Sorry. Now put me down. Okay, we gotta get the fish. Gotta go get the fish. Boom, boom. If you guys want this video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.